Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect the dash cam to your phone. First, download the Peztio app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also scan the code with your phone camera to get the download page. Our app is completely free with no subscription needed, so feel free to use it. Once the app's downloaded, make sure the camera is powered on before connecting to its Wi-Fi. The dash cam's Wi-Fi turns on automatically as soon as it's powered up. Next, open the Peztio app and agree to the privacy policy. We don't collect any sensitive info, so no worries. Grant the app permissions for Wi-Fi, storage, and local network when asked. You need to allow these for the connection to work. Tap the Add Camera button and grant local network permission. Follow the app instructions, it'll take you to your phone's settings. Then, go to your Wi-Fi list. Look for the Wi-Fi, named ICESKY S03 and connect using the password 12345678. After connecting to the ICESKY Wi-Fi, your phone might say there's no internet. Just choose Keep Trying. If you use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the Wi-Fi might disconnect right after connecting to the dash cam. If that happens, just turn off Bluetooth and disable the car connection. Go back to the Peztio app and tap Access Camera. It will connect to the dash cam automatically. Alright, let me show you the main screen of the app. This microphone icon lets you turn the in-car audio recording on or off. This switch camera icon lets you toggle live view between the 4 cameras. This flip icon lets you flip the left, right, and rear video side to side. This icon lets you switch to full screen live video. Tap this map icon to see your detailed location and route info. Tap this SD card icon to view all the videos saved on your SD card. Tap this video icon to start or stop recording. Tap this camera icon to snap photos from all 4 lenses at once. Tap the gear wheel icon to adjust the camera settings to your liking. To replay a video, tap the memory card icon and select the one you want. The loop folder stores all regular videos. When the SD card gets full, the oldest videos will be deleted to make room for new ones. There are 4 video labels: F for front, B for back, L for left, and R for right. The snapshot folder holds all the photos taken with 4 lenses. The locked folder stores important videos you've locked, or that the dashcam locked automatically. You can press the orange button to lock a video manually. Locked videos won't be deleted by the dash cam, so we recommend pressing the menu button whenever something important happens, just in case you need the video later. You can open any video and tap the download button to save it to your phone's album.